Title: The Rise of AutoGPT and Autonomous AI Agents. What it means for you. Introduction. In recent years, the emergence of AutoGPT and autonomous AI agents has marked a significant shift in the world of technology and artificial intelligence. These advancements are not only transforming industries, but also shaping our daily lives in unprecedented ways. This video will delve into the rise of such technologies and explore their implications for individuals, businesses, and society at large. The birth of AutoGPT and autonomous AI agents. AutoGPT builds on powerful GPT models that revolutionized language processing, creating smart, coherent, and context-aware text with minimal human input. Alongside AutoGPT, autonomous AI agents have emerged. These agents are designed to execute tasks with minimal supervision, using advanced algorithms to adapt and learn from their environments. Understanding AutoGPT takes the capabilities of traditional GPT models and enhances them through automation and increased context awareness. This sophisticated model processes text prompts to produce extended narratives or responses that are human-like and contextually accurate. The automation allows for continuous operation, improving applications in industries such as content creation, customer service, and more. The role of autonomous AI agents. Autonomous AI agents function by independently performing tasks assigned by users. These tasks can range from scheduling appointments, managing emails, to more complex decision-making processes in corporate settings. The autonomy of these agents allows them to operate with less human oversight, making them invaluable in increasing efficiency and productivity. Implications for individuals. These technologies mean more personalized and efficient interactions with tech. Tasks that were once tedious and time-consuming are now streamlined, freeing up time for more creative and cognitive pursuits. The benefits come with challenges, including ethical considerations and the need for digital literacy. Impact on businesses. Businesses stand to gain significantly from adopting AutoGPT and AI agents. These technologies facilitate automated customer support, data analysis, and operational management. However, businesses must navigate potential pitfalls such as data privacy concerns and the need for skilled personnel to manage these systems. Societal changes. The collective impact of these technologies on society is sweeping. On one hand, they offer the promise of economic growth and improved quality of life through enhanced productivity and innovation. On the other hand, they raise concerns around job displacement and the digital divide. In conclusion, the rise of AutoGPT and autonomous AI brings both big opportunities and serious challenges. As we adapt, we must balance innovation with responsibility to handle the tech's ethical and social impact. Press like button if you like this video. Subscribe to AIVeda for more such videos.